So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this. Today, we are going to take fitness pictures in the gym with Elise. And hopefully today what you're going to learn is how to take a fitness picture that looks like it belongs in a magazine, billboard, commercial website. Maybe Nike wants to use it, maybe Adidas, Under Armour, Reebok, maybe it's a Vital Apparel advertisement. Who knows? So the first thing that we need to do is establish where the camera is going to go and where we're going to have the model. Let's check out where we're going to go. I think we're going to start off with this machine, and the idea is the intensity of what the movement looks like and how you get the full flexion when you come all the way at the top, like the tricep just go pop out a little bit. See this big window right here? A lot of natural light is coming in from this window, and I want to accentuate that with a light, and I'm going to probably blast it at an angle, let it bounce off of this wall at the proper angle to where it bounces off the wall and then hits her in a nice, soft, even way. And then she'll be grungified by the rim light that we're putting behind her. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So I'm thinking about where I wanna put my second light now. I know where my camera position is and where my front light is gonna be. So now I'm thinking through where I wanna put my backlight for the amplification of what these giant windows are doing, which you can see on my face right here. It's coming in hard this way, creating a shadow on my face going that way. So what I want to do is I'm going to do a 2-light setup. I was thinking I was going to do 3, but I think I'm going to do 2. And we're going to carve her out of the background with a nice hard edge light while she's getting this really nice fill of just beautiful soft light coming in these windows. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my light right here going this way. So I have to navigate the obstacle course here and maybe something here. This feels like a good starting point. So Elise is in position. There she is, she's right there. Let's take a test shot. So what I wanna do first is actually just take a shot atmospherically. And I wanna bring my ISO down to, let's go 250, and I do want a shallow depth of field, so I'm going 2.8, and that is really dark. The thing I love about the Z system is you can see the shot before you take it. So as you can see right now, the shot is kind of dark. So I actually want to get the windows more blown out, but I don't want my shutter speed to be lower than 1/100. So my only option now is to adjust my ISO. I'm gonna take another picture, and here we go with our first test shot. All right, that looks pretty good. I think my front is a little bit hot. And you can see on her forehead, there's just a little bit of glare that I don't like. The light was like right here-ish, and I moved it in right here so that it could bounce off the wall and produce a softer effect on the front of her. I want the hard punch coming from behind her, but I want the front of her to be really soft. See if I like my frame. Yes, the light on her is beautifully soft in the front. So I'm gonna crank it up just a little bit. You can see as I'm turning it on and off, you can see it hitting her hair right there. So what I want to do is I want to take all of your hair and throw it over your shoulder that way. So the hair on the right side, put it all the way in the back.
Okay, this side?
Mm-hmm. And this side. This is your right side, my left. Yep, that's good. And for now, I think we just stay like this. And what I want you to do is go ahead and do a rep and really work your tricep. I'm going to get you blood flowing. That's good. Squeeze the triceps. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, that's perfect. Good. All right, good. Let's take one more light test just to make sure. So you look straight at me, don't move. Yep, that's actually wonderful. So I'm gonna give her this. This is a Nanlite Pavlov tube 26C. And I love these because literally you didn't see me use a clamp or anything because they're magnetic, and all it does literally, the cool thing is we're in a gym, so I can put this where it's not gonna be in sight of the camera. It's not gonna be in the shot, but it's gonna illuminate her when she comes back here. You could probably see it in that video too, that like my face is lit up, and that's kind of the whole point, just to help me focus properly. Okay, I was about to set up for that other shot, and then I thought, you know what? I have this Nanlite that's in place, It's already putting out some light for her. I want to use that as my light source. So with my lights still on, still in place, I'm just going to change my angle a little bit and utilize that nan light. You can see where that's hitting, and it is creating a nice big circle, so it's really soft. But what I want to do is utilize the nan light itself. That is amazing. Good, but I'm not crazy about those shadows. So I'm gonna move myself and we're gonna do it one more. You stay, tight core, freeze, hold. Yeah, that's amazing. Now we can reset and use the other 3 lights that I was gonna talk about. I think I'm gonna put a light right here so that I can hit her face and we can see the front of her really nice and clean. And then I'm going to put a light over here somewhere that hits the side of her to give me the edge light that I want. And then I might put another one back here to act as hair light, rim light on this side. And then I might put a red gelled light to hit this entire back wall. Just create something that just looks really cool. All right, let's do it. Okay, so as you can see, I have Elise here. She's in the shot. I have light 1, light 2, light 3. Light 3 was a real pain in the neck to get in there. I can show it to you later. But if you want to show people what it looks like to turn all your lights out at one time, it looks like that. The thing that's really cool about this, specifically when you have only one set of windows that are in front, at times like this, is very helpful. So you can see exactly what your lights are doing before you ever do anything. So if you check out the camera, you can see she's got awesome rim light on her arms, on her hair, on her back, on the back side of her camo pants. It's pretty cool looking. So I'm gonna actually take a test shot and see what this looks like. That's awesome. We didn't do anything. All we did was put the camera in TTL after we took a test shot, and it looks pretty insane just like it is. So this is the light we just clamped that has my red gel on it, right? And that is going to hit this gray wall, and it should illuminate all of that to be red. And as you can see, I have another corner light here. That is going to be one of my backlights hitting Elise from the back left. And as you can see right here, there's my camera right there. And this is for the front of her, giving her some fill, which I might dial down just a little bit. My other backlight is here. So she's gonna be sitting on the bench that's right here. And so I'm gonna have backlight here going back left. And that is gonna be my X pattern light and the fill for the front and red for the wall. So we're about to take our first test shot here with the red light being introduced. This is just for our red light test. And immediately it adds so much more character. I have isolated everything, and what I'm gonna do now is just start with my red, and we're gonna take a shot. Don't move, Elise, just stay there. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Holy crambones. So now I'm gonna introduce the backlights, the edge lights. All right, cool, that is giving us a little bit more red. I like that a lot. And now finally, let's introduce our light for the front of you, just the face light. Here we go, one more time, you're doing great. Oh, baby cakes, butter biscuits, give me the cheese and gravy. Oh man, that's good. One more time, freeze what you got. Oh, that is dope. I'm gonna get a little bit tighter on you. Don't move, stay right there. That looks awesome, except for that one bang. Chin down a little bit right there. Freeze, hold, hold. This is so killer. That's my friend Jason's gym, and they're bringing in some stuff right now. A-Town Gym, coming soon to a workout place near you. Stay here, hold that. Cool, yeah, your legs look great. That was cool right here, don't move. Yep, nailed it. Main takeaway from today's video is slow down, think through what you want your lights to do and how they want to interact with your subject. If you just think about, like, I'm putting this light here to do this light here to do this, I need a fill for the front. I know it's a lot of lights, but it's really not that complicated if you just go slow and think about it. And don't forget, like in this case, we're using red. So clear white light will cancel out colored light. So just be careful of what kind of crossover and spill you have between your lights. And that's it. And like Elise said,
like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. Bye.